Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to recover deleted files from your Google Drive. Now let's begin. Well, do note, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Use this tab to sign in to your Google account. Right here, I'm gonna delete this document right now. I am just going to click on the trash can icon right here. And as you can see, the file has been deleted. And let's say we want to recover it. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to recover that as well. On the left side of the screen, as you can see, if you scroll down, you will see something called as trash. Simply click on it, then you will be redirected to this page. Well, the main thing I'm going to tell you guys is that items in trash will be deleted forever after 30 days. So you have about 30 days to recover any document that you have deleted. Now here is the document that I had previously deleted, and let's say I want to recover it. Simply click on these three dots right here and let's set on restore. Likewise, you can do the same for all these contents. In case you want to empty the trash, right here on the top right, you will see a button called as this that says empty trash. Click on it and hit on delete forever. And guys, that is it. That's how you recover items from your Google Drive. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.